And you had a lesson with Elizabeth, she said?
Yes.
And it was very good, she said. She commented that you made a lot of progress. Okay. Okay, let's do your A. Normal bow. Really good? Okay, so let's start with our etudes today. And we're doing, did we start the next one?
No, you just told me to keep to the same spot and work on the rhythm.
Okay, but we're doing the whole thing, right?
I think last time we only played to here.
I know, but you're supposed to play to here. You should always think of the whole thing, right? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and down. Yeah, we have to be careful in this room that sometimes they tighten up. Okay, so then we're back, and we want that beautiful sound here. Good. So we'll just draw the bow very evenly. Good. Now, we want to think, if we divide the bow, so we have 2 beats here. How much bow does 1 beat get? A half a bow, right? Okay, so make sure you save your bow. Careful. In general, we're probably going to need more bow for the second beat because it's a little bit weaker at the tip. So I'm going to really say. Down, down. Wait. Okay, so we're going to get you through the whole thing. And then in a day, you have to come back and play this for me.
All right.
Okay, down. Down. No. Good. Is getting the fingerings, right? Okay.
Position is tricky.
Okay, so then you got to use your pencil, and you want to write down what those fingers are. So let's just go from here. The B flat is a 1, And you don't have to write all of them, just the
Yeah.
ones that are 4. Good.
And then that's a 4.
Yeah, and then the B flat is a... Good. Okay, so let's do this measure with stop bows first. Ba, ya, ba, 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 and 1, 4, 4. That's right. So stop bows again. Good. So just follow your own advice. Just a half a bow, half a bow. And up, 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 4. Okay, so then you did write that incorrectly. Good. Once more. 4. Good. Okay, now with the slurs. Good. So when you start, you want that sound right away. Good. So you want it right away. Enough times where it becomes fluid. And up. Again. Good. So if I'm going to analyze this chord, it's a what chord? B flat. With a so what degree of the scale? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
A B flat. 7, right? Oh, we're gonna get you theory next year. Okay, so then once you hear it, then it's going to be easier also. Okay, once more from here. You have to get under with the elbow and the bow, right? So you have to have both arms moving to help you. Good. 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 Okay, so slowly. Bottom, up, no. Good. Good. No, that was right. Good. So it's B flat, A flat. Good. C flat. Good. Now, major third. Good. A flat. 1. Good. Now you are. That's the C flat says 3. Good. Let me sing. Okay, so we'll go slowly. We're gonna do stop, up, up, 2. No, because it could play the E flats with the 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then there's a third, so it can't be a third finger because that would be a second.
Yeah, so it's fourth finger.
Yes. note, and then 2. That's a third also. No, but that's higher. No, it's a 4. Good. Fa, fa. 1, 3, 1. Good. Because here, C flat is with 3, right? And the F is a half step higher, so it's a tritone, right? Okay, once more. Good, and watch your bow. Good. 3, 1, 2, higher 4. Good. 4, 1, 3. Nice, right. So that's the tritone. Okay, again. 4, 2, 1. 4. Okay, now we'll go slowly with the slur. Few times till it becomes really fluid. Good, again. And singing. So let's go from here. Okay, you're so capable. You got to do that in your practice room.
Okay.
Okay, next. So now we're just fourth. Good. Okay, so you're on the right track. D flat, D natural. 1, 4, 2. 4, 3, 1. 4, 2, and then high. No, but then wait. You play D flat with 4, and you can play D natural with what?
4.
Yeah, there's just a half step difference. Good. Okay, so let's go from here to and 4 and 1. No, but 1, B, C, no, and then 3. 1, 4. 1. No, but it's not exactly the same as the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay, so go from here, but be rhythmical. 1, 2. 2. Up, down. No, rhythm. Folia, down. No. 1, 3. 4, 2. Good. So let's do stop bows. 1, 4, 2, 4, up, down. 3, good, but stop bows. Good, okay, so do that again with stop bows. Good, yep, good, and then go, make sure you get to the frog, and down, up. Good, again. Good, frog. And up, down. 3, 1, down, up. Okay, if A flat, that's it. A flat is a 1, B flat is a
2.
Yes. Okay, once more. Up, no, 2. 2 is a C. 2, 2, 4, up O, then 3, up O. 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1. Good, again. And up, down, 3, 1, 3, 1, down, up. Good, do it a few times. Up, down. Good, okay, now slurs. Up, down. Good, next. 3, 1. Wait.
Fourth position, I don't really get the.
Well, you've been playing it since here, right? So it hasn't changed. Okay, so good. So that's a 1, right? Okay, 1, 3, 1. Now, how many A flats have you played? Good. So this A flat is the same as this. So it's a what?
4.
A 4. Good. 4. 1, 2. Up and A flat, A flat, A flat. Okay? Okay. Okay, so let's say you don't understand the fourth position things, right? What would be a good thing for us to do?
I don't know.
Okay, well think.
Practice the fourth position more.
Yeah, but you have to read it, right? So I'm looking for a book that is fourth position also, but it could be in my storage. Yeah, someplace in a box, someplace. Okay, so what is the next best thing?
Working more on fourth position.
What?
Reading fourth position more.
Yeah, so I'm going to get a piece of paper here. We're going to make a practice fourth position. Okay. So we're going to make sure we have how many flats?
4.
Right. B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, right? So we're going to start on the A string here because A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A flat, and we're going to do another line, E flat, A flat, A flat, D flat, and then we do B flat, C, D flat, and then E flat because that's as high as we go. Okay? Now, what finger is A flat going to be?
1.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1 again.
2, 3.
I'm not going to put all of them because 1,
2, 3, 4.
Okay, can we just try that? 1, 2. Good, now come down. So go backwards. 3, 4. Okay? So if you have a question like here, so we're going to start just the last measure, and that starts on 1, right? So A flat. Good. A, C. Okay, so that's good. Now, let's do it just with maybe separate bows. Okay, so now I'm playing the A flat, and C is how many notes away from the A flat?
2.
Yeah, so a third, right? So I have to play it with what finger? 3, good, okay. So C and E flat are also a third, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now go from E flat to A flat. And that's what interval?
A 4?
Yes, a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. now we'll go with stop bows. Fingers, but now remember, wait, the bow has to be straight, no, right, and little bow. That's it. Okay. It's like a puzzle, but you know, when you do a puzzle, you have to figure out how to figure out the puzzle, right? So now you have the tools with which to figure out. There are really no other notes in here. Well, we have the G string. I'm not sure why I didn't put the G string there. But the E flat starts on a 2, right? Okay. Got it? Got it. Okay, so I'm going to make a time in 2 days where you're going to come in and you're going to just blast through that one perfectly. Okay, so, and then in the meantime, we're going on to this one because it's pretty easy. So what arpeggio is this? Any A's in this arpeggio? C major, right? C. There's not even an A inside here. Yeah, okay, C major. Right, so this is C major. And how do we know? Because we find the 3 notes that have a third between them. So all 3 of these notes are on a line, right? Mm-hmm. Now, if I'm going to find like this next one here, can you find 3 notes that are thirds from each other? Good, and that is then what? G major. Good. Okay. I'm trying to find something else. Well, now we're in A major. Okay? Okay. So what we're going to do here, this is a little bit like Schradieck. So we're going to play first stop bows. With 8 notes. And then 8 slurs. Okay? So 8 notes stop and 8 slurs. Okay. So we're almost done with this book. So make sure you have your other book. And
so what are we going to do after the Kreutzer book?
After these 2, there's a book 2 of this. Okay. And then we do real Kreutzer. And then you've arrived at adulthood. Okay, so let's hear your A. Good. Okay, we're just going to do a bow wandering and just up. Good, and then balance your longest finger. Good, and the D string, same way. Before we go to this, and we're going to take my metronome. This is still beeping here. We're going to put it on 60. And we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. keeping that beautiful sound. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. And the fingers, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Keep the sound. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 3, 4, 5. Keep the sound. 7, 8, and 9. 8, and then 10. 2, 6. Good. Okay, good. So we're going to add that. And, oops. That was rather scary. Okay, so I'm going to just write this here with long bows. And you can find it on your film too, right?
Yes.
But so you're going to do metronome equals 60, and you do 1 to 10. Then I want you, we're just going to take a look at this. Can you just put your bow up in the air? And we're going to just find the balance. The longest finger is across from the thumb. Just going to bring this a little bit more here. And then we're going to put the bow over. Yeah, and you see how the little finger is really loose? And we go back up, and now we go here. And you see how the first finger, good, and we want to keep the fingers a little closer together. Whoa, that's right, really, that's right, good. And so we go up in the air where things are equally balanced, over to, yeah, that side, good, I'm mirror image, good. So no little finger, up in the air. And then over here. Good. Do you feel, I mean, this is the original windshield wiper, right? That's right. Do you see how the balance? So as I go to the tip, I feel, well, we've done, where we take the fingers off like that, right? So can you do it again and just feel the weight going to the first finger? Good, and keep it, and back to the little finger. Good, and balance your feet. Okay, good. So if you could add that again to your vocabulary, that would be great. Okay, next. Okay, now I want you, what are you focusing on when you do this? I mean, if you could say a few things and then we'll figure out how we're going to concentrate.
Finger, bow, and like positioning.
Okay. Okay, I want you just to think about your beautiful tone. 1, and do you hear how I'm not really having to work? But I'm thinking of, I'm listening. So when you start, when you start, we touch and go. So touch. Good. Touch. 2, 3. 1. Good. But good. Okay. Now, if then I'm a slower bow, right? Then maybe less bow. your last C sharp here. Do you just want it to be the same? Or what should we do?
A little less.
Yeah, so watch. 1. So I'm going to release the pressure. So I can start more and then release. 1, release, up, 2, 3. Good, good. And then we're just in the second half here. Good, good. So let's go from, that's right. 1, 2, fra, fa. Okay. Now here. Good. So we probably want the D to be more than the C, right? More. Good. Good. That was good. So more. But then we don't want a big accent here. So how about a little softer on that little note? Now less and good. 2, 3. 2, 3 and then more. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. You see how we're trying to shape the phrase?
Yeah.
So it's not always, always the same. So this was very good. 1, 2, and watch. I can play very. So can we go E, above, 2, up, down. This is down low, down low, down. Wait. This is up, down, 2, 3. And now, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do you hear a difference?
Yeah.
Isn't that more beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, what note is more? The first or the second?
First.
Okay, can you write it in? So, write a little diminuendo. So, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, up-oh, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you can vibrate. Rest. Rest. Good. And good, good. But you don't want to play too loud, right? So let's just go. Good. So I want to just say one other thing. Can we make an extension so we don't want to hear a slide? And 5, 2, 3. Good. And what? And slow bow. So 2, 3, and 1, 2. Good. And we should do what at the end of that C sharp also?
Dialect.
DK. Right. Good. So let's go from 2, 3. Up-oh. 2, 3, and 1. DK. Rest. 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 And can't just kind of play with your bow how you want, because then you're not doing what Mr. Corelli wants you to do. So you have to do what? Seize the bow. Okay, so can we go just from here? And we'll let the bow rest on the string. Rest. Rest. And vibrate. Vibrate. And vibrate. Good. Can we vibrate? The first. And yeah. Good. Now this is the most, so can these notes be very expressive? Yeah, vibrate. Yada, 1, 2. And save 1. And diminuendo. Good. So we're always going to decay. Not always, but in Baroque music, at these cadences most likely will decay. Okay, now the bow is very good. Can we get a little vibrato? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. 1, 2. Good. Now we're going to start. This is the end, right? So that will be softer. Can you write it in? So I need you to listen to your video, and I want to see all the things that we talked about. I want you to write them in.
Okay.
Okay? Good. So 1, 2, less. And less. Good. Yes, that's ba 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 ba. Forearm. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Ba 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 da, and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Now listen to the D. So it's a very pure sound. I don't want to hear obstructions. 1, 2, circle. Okay. Now the best place is, probably your balance point. 2, 3, and 4 arms. The bow's a little crooked. 2, 3. Good. Okay, that was good. Your job is to find the best place. Probably not there. Not there, so can we find? Good. And we want that really flexible wrist. Good. Good, but just stay at your middle mark there. More. 2, 1. And 2, good. Keep floppy wrist. 1, 2, 3, and good. Now with the piano, stay really in the middle of the bow. Can you do this? Sticky. Good, really loose, but fingers, and wrist, loose. Good, let it be flat. Good, okay, so stay there. No, but this is the piano. And 3, 2, 3, a little finger back. Good. 1. And now crescendo. Down. Off. Good. I think you could be more dramatic. Off. Down. Off. This is always up. Off. No. Good. Now, can we shift on the two? Good, because we don't want to go wah. So we don't, unless it comes 200 years later. No, we shift on the two. That's it. So we'll shift all the way to hit the side. Good. And 2 and 1, 2, 3. And take your time, breathe. Good, and then reset. Can you go over? And especially this way. Good. Good. Oh, that's it. Good. Next. Good. But how are you going to start? And what dynamic is it? Good. What kind of mood do you want to set here?
Slow and quiet.
Maybe peaceful. And 2 and 2 and 2 up. 2 frog. 2 and frog. 2. Okay, and then I would keep this peaceful here, even though you have double stops. Here, you have to do your cat fingers here, right? And cat fingers. Good, and keep it peaceful and just softly. Oh, but you don't want a big accent. And let's go. Down, up, frog. Now, let me show you what we're going to do here. Can we do the teeter-totter here? Go to the frog. Go, and good. So, good. See how, can we just do this? Just back and forth. And shoulder down. That's it. See how the little finger? Good. So the finger really is curved on the D string, and then it pushes the string down. So curve to push. Curve to push. Good. So watch. So see how I do the teeter? Now stop, teeter. Good. Can you do that again? Good. Again. That was excellent. Good. And go slow motion so you really figure it out. Next. But good. Now, these guys you want to be in what part of the bow?
Upper half.
Yeah, I mean you don't have to be upper, but
Well,
not at the frog.
closer
So
to the middle.
yeah. Yappa and vibrate. Yappa, vibrate. Yappa, vibrate. Down, up, with you? I don't think I did yet. How many notes do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
13.
Yeah, including the, if I include this one.
The
yeah, so it, well, not really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 4 plus 4 equals
8.
Yeah, only 8, right? Pretty sure I'll get more later. Here I'll get 13. But what I want to do, can we just do with stop bows? Can you just do stop bows? 4 plus 4. Good. So we want to get it right in tune. Good. Again. Down. Good. Okay. Now we're going to sing 1, 2, 3, 4. No, but it's 1, 2. Good. Again. 1. Good. Again. 5. Okay, now we're going to do this one. So this is E. Let's do stop bows first. Ba, ba, ba. Good. So how many do I have there?
So 8.
Yeah, 4 plus 4.
Yeah.
So the brain has a hard time handling 1, 2, 7, 8. That's a lot of notes. But if we can do 4 plus 4, can we do that? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now with the slur. Good. Now do you hear how clear it is? Good. And next, C. E. Ba, 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 ba. Good. Triplet, yeah, ba, ba. And ballet. Okay, good. Okay, that's really good. Can you write a note? You're going to isolate those 16 notes with stop bows. Just want to see if Moose is here. Oh, come on in. Just was checking that you're here. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing with this variation, and then we'll to be continued. So we wanted the notes are not equal. It's not 1, 2, 3, right? So we want to have a swing. So more, less, least. More, less. Ba, ba, da, da, da. And more, less, least. E. Ba, ba, more, less, least. Ba. And ba, ba, da. Now more, least. Yeah, ba, ba, ba. Good. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Not too many. Wait. Let's get this one. C, A. Yeah, ba. Good. Yeah, ba, ba, down. And yeah, ba, ba, ba. And ba, da. Good. That's the idea. Okay. Did you figure out the rhythm here?
Yeah.
Okay. Does that what we're trying to do? We're trying to make you more musical. You see, so it's not just because you just turned 12. So now you have to embrace more artistry.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, so I want you to listen to your video and take. Do you need a colored pencil at home, or do you have some?
Oh, we have plenty.
Okay, so I want you to write in so that when you're practicing, you'll remember all the things that we did. And we're going to make a time for 5 minutes where I hear your fourth position etude. Okay?
When?
I'll look at the calendar.
I think I have a lesson